away, take it away.
Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with DizastrousBeauty.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm drank up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm drank up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a mother meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly, I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm chained up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm chained up and I'm danked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. You elevate it. You.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am wearing was sent to me by XRSBEAUTY Hair. Shout out to you, XRS, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. As you guys know, they be coming through with the laces, honey, okay? The hairline, the lace, all that good stuff. But let's just go ahead and get into this video. Y'all, they sent me some paper and I want to make sure that I hit everything on the, what I've been calling it, a script, okay? So I'm just gonna literally read off some of the things that they have on here because, child, y'all know my memory ain't nothing, okay? So they did want me to go ahead and mention that the wig is a customized layered edge wig, and you guys could see that at the beginning of the video when I put the unit on, that it just kind of like had cut up edges, and that's before you freaking cut it. So yeah, this unit is a 2-in-1 wet and wavy wig, and I have done these type of units before, so I know you guys know about them. With this one, it came the same, like a sort of blowout sort of look, and once you put water on it, it curls up. And I did show you guys that, and then I decided to blow dry this back straight, and it's a little damp, but I did decide to blow dry it back straight because I really wanted to wear the straight look with this unit, and I did not want to do the whole video half and half. But I did show you guys me doing it on camera, okay? They also have on here that the curls will hold forever until you straighten it, and the hair is reversible to wet and curl again, and the curls will not become loose no matter how many times you transfer it. So no matter how many times you do it back and forth from straight to curly, that the curl should hold. Yeah, you can blow it out when you want to go back to the straight look. So after you wash it, you can, if you want to wear it in this state, you need to blow it out and then flat iron it. Or you can just leave it in the curly state. It just depends on you, because obviously once you wash it, it is going to curl up. So just be mindful of that as well. And yeah, that is pretty much all the specs that they have on this paper, child. Okay, so let me just get into Chrissy mode. Y'all, they did send me 3 different types of lace, and I'm going to just kind of have a clip where I show you guys the different kinds. But it's the regular lace, the regular transparent lace they sent, and the new clear lace, and the regular brown lace. So they did send me all 3. This unit is the clear, what is it called? No, it's just called new clear lace. So this is what the unit has. It's the clear lace. You guys know I basically like all lace except for brown lace, because brown lace does not blend in for me. But this clear lace, it does blend a lot better than the transparent lace, and you guys will be seeing that clip somewhere now where you can see the difference between all 3 of the laces. And yeah, let me see what are the specs and stuff that they have on the site. Okay, so the specs and stuff that I have for this unit says the SKU is LFW30. The length that I am wearing is 20 inches. And I would say that is definitely 20 inches straightened out. It seems a little longer to me though. I'm gonna let you guys see when I do my full 360, and y'all can let me know down below if you feel like it's longer than 20 inches. Or it could be that it's 20 inches when it's curled up, because once it was curled up, obviously it drawed up, and it seemed to be, 20 inches then. But honestly, straightened, I would say that this unit is giving me more so 24 inches. But honey, y'all let me know what you think down below. And it Also has that the density is 150, and those are all the details and specs that I have on hand about this unit. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I have not experienced either, like none whatsoever. That's not to say at some point, oh girl won't do any other things. It's just to say that right now she's done doing none of the things. As far as this unit being big head friendly, I do feel like this wig is big head friendly, and it does also come with an elastic band. So in my opinion, is universal because it has that elastic band, and that band is also detachable. And usually when things have the bands, you can make it fit, you know, whatever size head, in my opinion. But honey, do with that what you want to do. Do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, so now we'll get into my pros and cons about this unit. Okay, so my only con that I could think of with this wig is probably how the texture looks, you know, when you straighten it. I don't feel like it looks exactly the same, and I think that's because, like I said, it's still a little damp, but you have to get the hair really, really wet in order to achieve that curly look. So I guess it wouldn't be the issue of how it looks straightened. The issue would be is that you got to get the hair wet to get that curly look. And I just don't like to be wet. Okay, I just don't like to be wet. So that is just a con that I figured I would just throw out there because it was really hard to think of a con. I'm just gonna keep it a whole book, okay? Okay, so as far as the pros go with this wig, I feel like the pros are endless. First of all, we'll start with the lace. The lace is a dream, honey, okay? I love the lace. I love the new clear lace. I think it is really, really nice. Another pro is that I love the texture of the hair. Like, I love how the hair feels. It has such a nice, natural, sort of thick feel to it, and I love that. I just think it looks really, really, really natural. And of course, I love the fact that it transitions, even though I sat there and went on this rant in my cons about not liking to have wet hair. But I do love the transition. I think that is really, really cool, and it just basically gives you two wigs in one, honey, and what's better than that? Okay. I would definitely recommend this wig. I think the wig is really, really nice. I think the lace is nice. I think it looks really natural, and I think it's beginner friendly, especially beginner frontal friendly. I literally did not have to do anything to this wig. I didn't tweeze this wig. I didn't bleach any knots. I did not do any of those things. I just put old girl on my head. So to me, it makes this unit very, very beginner friendly in my opinion. So yes, I would definitely recommend it. All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Yeah, this hair is definitely longer than 20 inches. And this is it on the right side. So you guys seen the back. Y'all, this hair is definitely longer than 20 inches once it's straightened. So I'm guessing they are saying 20 inches when curled up, because it did give 20 inches while it was curled up. So yeah, I would say straightened out is about 24 at the least, in my opinion. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Xrsbeauty Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. And let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments, because I am really, really interested in your thoughts and opinions. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
Oh, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.